Clouds. Now looking at our temperature and fog map, you can see that we are seeing a little bit of that fog around the area, and we are going to be seeing that for many of those coastal spots, and then also inland as well. Have a chance of seeing sunshine at the coast, and then inland getting up into the 70s, maybe some low 80s, and lots of sunshine once again. So really looking like a magnificent Monday for many for today. Temperatures across the state starting to see a little cooling trend, which is nice, a little fall-like in the Central Valley. Afternoon temperatures only in the 80s, so starting to see that cooler weather come their way. But for us, really nice weather. So instead of that pattern where they see the heat and we see the cold and clouds, we're all going to be pretty pleasant with 70s and 80s across the state. You can see this cooler system off the coast. That's been one of the factors keeping us on the cooler side. Another system up towards the north we're watching, but looks like we're going to be between that. It does look like our temperatures are going to dip down a little bit by the end of the week, but by Friday into the weekend, we should start to warm up once again. And looks like we are going to be seeing some pretty comfortable conditions for much of the week ahead. The lack of clouds yesterday, so really ended up being a nice sunny Sunday afternoon for many and pretty comfortable as well. Now in the overnight, we have seen those clouds return. Salinas, we're seeing kind of a divide. Some areas seeing a little bit of cloud cover, other spots seeing some stars, 58 degrees right now. And we are seeing less relative humidity than normal, hence less fog and low clouds. But temperatures a little cooler than where we were yesterday to start, so you can see that by about 5 degrees in some spots. 7 degrees cooler right now in Hollister, putting you in the 50s rather than what we had yesterday, some 60s to start. Want to take a look at those sky conditions today. Still going to be pretty sunny. If you like that sunshine in 70s, well, today's your day to shine. The next few days, we're going to start to see a few more clouds up the coast. Looks like Tuesday, Wednesday, perhaps into Thursday. Then we're going to start to watch a north wind. That could bring some drier and warmer conditions with that north breeze. So we're going to watch that by the end of the week to see just how warm we get. But as of now, still a lot in question. This map is indicating that right there on the coast from Watsonville to about Santa Cruz. Filling in a little more than this map is indicating, but overall just wanted to show you the gist that we're not seeing those clouds all the way inland, all the way against our mountains like we have been for the last week or so. Yesterday was our first sunny day. Today I expect to see sunshine in many spots. I think even a little sunnier than what this is indicating. Now this is showing some clouds hugging the coastline. We could see some bay clouds lingering in some spots, but I think mostly sunny and mostly 70s, upper 60s possible in some of our coastal spots like around Carmel or Pebble Beach, but for the most part seeing near 70 to maybe even mid 70s near the coast. Inland getting up into the upper 70s, maybe even some 80s, and then we will be seeing some really nice conditions for the next week or so. Give or take a few degrees, so today, tomorrow will be the warmer days, then a little cool down midweek if you like it to feel a little more fall-like. That'll be your opportunity to enjoy it, and then looks like it'll warm up again the weekend. If you're headed up to the Bay Area, 78 for Fremont, Mountain View, really nice day, 79 in Felton on the East Coast. So they've just been getting pounded storm after storm after storm in areas like Massachusetts and then into parts of New England, seeing that rainfall. So they're finally going to see some quieter weather for the next few days, which is good news. Then for the rest of the country, look at this. We do have red flag warnings up towards the north. So unfortunately, this is our time, the West Coast, time to see some fire danger across the region. That's going to be the case for today for some areas towards our north. Something we'll be tracking later in the week. So still looking at good news when it comes to the extended forecast, looking wetter than normal. Of course, there still could be some dry periods mixed in there. This is the forecast for a week to 2 weeks out. And then looking at temperatures locally cooler than average. But look at the rest of the country. They're going to have a taste of some summer-like temperatures to finish out September and go into early October. As for the Central Valley, look at these temperatures. Beautiful conditions. 83 in Sacramento, 84 in Fresno, 97 Palm Springs, so still pretty warm down there. Lots of 70s near the coast. Today we'll have some 70s locally. Tomorrow near 70, but could start to drop off a little bit. Then we're going to start to see those temperatures warm up once again by the end of the week. So a few areas had some clouds to start, but then everyone saw sunshine by the afternoon. You can see this loop one more time. You can see that sun by later in the day, and also lots of 70s. Look at this, 70s from Gilroy at 79 to 71 in Big Sur, even 70 degrees for Pacific Grove yesterday, and I expect that once again for today. Now there's going to be some areas near the coast that could see some clouds lingering. I think everyone will have a chance of sunshine though, and then also some areas that could stay in the upper 60s, but for the most part seeing 70s, Salinas, Watsonville, St. Santa Cruz, Monterey, all expected to be around 73 to 75 degrees for today. So really comfortable day for many at the coast. Now inland, still getting a little warm, upper 70s to 80s with lots of sunshine and a pretty pleasant evening as well. For today, look at these temps across the state. 80s for the Central Valley, 74 up at Lake Tahoe, 74 down in Los Angeles as well. And then for tomorrow, could be a little warmer in some spots inland and then a little cooler near the coast. And then as we go into the middle of the week, we're going to see some more clouds come. So today, even tomorrow, I think we'll see sunshine. You can see this forecast model showing a little bit of clouds coming tomorrow, but more of those fill through on your Wednesday to perhaps Thursday. Friday, we'll start to watch a wind coming in from the north. We'll see how dry that is, how warm that is. Looks like we're going to be seeing the temperatures fluctuating.